Hi guys, Darlene from WTI, and I want to talk to you about my little Katchy. It's an insect catcher. This is the white version. You can also get it in black. It's really simple but effective. You just plug it in and run this when you're sleeping at night, when the house is quiet and dark. So it comes with two different settings. Here is the low setting. It has a low blue LED light, and then you can hear a mild fan turning. It's not noisy at all. Then you can get your high setting, which has a bit of a brighter light and a flicker. So basically the insects are attracted to the light and they get sucked in with the fan. Then in the morning you check your trap and they are stuck to this little Katchy pad right here. So I was able to get some no-see-ums, mosquitoes. I don't even know what that thing is, but anyway, you think your house is bug-free, but then you run this at night and you could be amazed at what you find. So you can still reuse that little pad until you get too many insects, and then it comes with 4 more. And then you can also buy these separately in an 8-pack. So really effective little unit. I highly recommend it. Everybody needs it for summertime, but that's just my point of view.